Hello, welcome to new session. Let us see an equivalent circuit for bipolar junction transistor. The active circuit model for the two-port network is shown in this figure. Here, this is the active circuit model for the two-port. This is the input port and this is the output port. And for the two-port network, we obtained such types of the active circuit model which have input impedance, that is the HI, which have reverse voltage gain HR, which is controlled by the output voltage V2. Similarly, which have the forward current gain HF, which is depends upon the input current HF into I1, and the output admittance is represented by 1 divided by HO. This is the active circuit model for the two-port network. And here in this two-port network have the 4 terminals. This is the first terminal, this is second terminal, the input port having 2 terminals and output port having the 2 terminals. Therefore, this network or active circuit model having the 4 terminals, and this is the symbol of transistor, and the transistor have 3 elements or the 3 terminals. This is the emitter, the first terminal is emitter, second terminal is base, and third terminal is collector. So, it have the 3 terminals, but our active circuit having the 4 terminal, and when we want to convert the active circuit model or equivalent circuit for the bipolar junction transistor, that is the H parameter equivalent circuit for the bipolar junction transistor, we need the 2 terminal at the input port and the 2 terminal at the output port. Therefore, here one of the terminal is made common. So, here the emitter is made common for input side and output side. Therefore, this transistor also having the 4 terminals, that is, these are the 2 terminals, this is the input terminal and this is the output terminal. Okay. So, the transistor having the 3 terminals, therefore, we have the 3 possible configuration, that is common emitter, common base, common collector, and that is represented like this. This is the circuits for common emitter configuration, this is the circuit for common base configuration, this is the circuit for common collector configuration, and here the transistor is NPN transistor. For NPN transistor, the different currents are like this. Okay. And there is another possibility of PNP transistor, and for PNP transistor also the 3 circuit, that is for common emitter, common base and common collector is like this. This is the another circuit. Okay. Here the transistor is NPN transistor, and in this way we can make the transistors one terminal common for input side and output side. This is for common emitter, this is for common base, this is for common collector. Okay. So, we can replace the bipolar transistor in common emitter circuit with H parameter equivalent circuit, and that is represented or shown in the figure 3. This is the figure 3, and here this is the common emitter transistor configuration, or this is the circuit for the common emitter. Okay. This is the input signal, this is the output voltage, and one load resistance is connected between the output terminals, between collector and emitter, and this is the input source, input battery voltage, that is the VBB. This is the output voltage, that is the VCC, and the input signal is Vi. And therefore, this circuit is converted or replaced by the H parameter equivalent circuit. This is the H parameter equivalent circuit, and this is the transistor. Or for the transistor, we represent the transistor in this way. As you know that the H parameter equivalent circuit have input impedance, that is the Hi, and reverse voltage gain, that is the HRE into VO, the forward current gain, that is the HFE into IV. This is the output admittance, that is equal to 1 divided by HO, and therefore this is the transistor. Here this is the base, this is collector, and this is the emitter, and these two terminals are the input terminals, or this is the input port and this is the output port, and the load resistance, as here load resistance is connected, here this is the RL, which is the load resistance which is connected between collector and emitter, and the output voltage is the VO, and here the output current which is flowing through this transistor is the IC, and input current is the IB, okay, which is flowing through the base. So this is the H parameter equivalent circuit for bipolar junction transistor, okay. And here we are using the small signal for the transistor for getting linear characteristics. If we want the linear characteristics, therefore we use very small signals, and therefore the AC voltage which is appear across the DC bias source is negligible, or the no AC voltage appear across the DC bias source, and they are removed from the circuit. This signal, that is the input signal, is the very small signal, and therefore the effect of that signal or that voltage is appear at the DC circuit is equal to the 0. Therefore, in this circuit the AC signal is not presented, or that is removed from the circuit. And the output blocking capacitor, this is the output blocking capacitor, and the reactance of this capacitor is very small for the DC equivalent circuit. Therefore, this blocking capacitor is also removed from the circuit, and the circuit is like this. This is the H parameter equivalent circuit for the transistor. And we are using the Vi and Vo as the RMS quantity in the H parameter equation. We have the two H parameter equations, and these equations are like this. The first equation is the voltage summation equation, that is the Vi is equal to Hi into Ib plus Hre into Vo, okay. And second equation is the summation of the current, and the output current Ic is equal to Hfe into Ib plus Hoe into Vo. And these two equations are the H parameter equation for the H parameter, and here the input voltage is the Vi and output voltage is the Ic, that is the current flowing to the transistor, collector of the transistor. And here instead of using Hi, we are using HIE. Here the E for the common emitter, suffix E for the common emitter. Similarly, instead of using only HR, here we are use the HRE. This is for the common emitter. Here we are using HFE and E for the common emitter, HFE. Here also HOE, E for the common emitter. Therefore, this is the two equations of the H parameters, and this represent the mathematical derived model for the transistor, which is compatible with the other circuit element. The frequency operation will consider sufficiently low that the internal transistor capacitance can be negligible, and therefore it is ignored from the circuit. The output current of the circuit of the polarity of IC is represented by output current is the IC, and here the in that circuit the output current is represented IC is equal to minus VO divided by RL. This is the output current flowing to the transistor, okay, which is equal to minus VO divided by RL. So, let us substitute the value of IC in the equation number 2, and therefore, from that equation we get the value of IB. Therefore, minus IB, when we substitute the value of IC in equation number 2, therefore, we get the value of IB, and that IB is equal to HOE into RL plus 1. Here the VO is common, divided by HFE into RL. So, this is HOE into RL plus 1 bracket close into VO divided by HFE into RL. Now, let us substitute the value of IB in equation number 1. Therefore, we get the voltage gain, and here the voltage gain is the output voltage divided by input voltage, that is the VO divided by VI. In this equation, there is the voltage VO is the output voltage and input voltage is the VI, and when we substitute the value of IB in equation number 1, therefore we get the voltage gain AV is equal to VO divided by VI, and which is equal to 1 divided by HI into bracket HOE into RL plus 1 bracket close divided by HFE into RL into minus HRE. This is equation number 3, and it is difficult to derive the physical meaning of this expression, but we have to simplify this equation, okay. So, in the equivalent circuit, if you see the generator HRE into VO, that is the feedback source, and feedback effect makes the input quantity slightly depends upon the property of input circuit, and in the transistor feedback effect is the very small. So, we assume that the value of HRE is equal to 0, because the effect of that feedback voltage is the very small. Therefore, we can take this HRE is equal to 0, and the drop feedback generator from the circuit. We can drop that feedback generator from the circuit. Similarly, the value of HOE is the output admittance, and this value is equal to nearly equals to the 10 raised to minus 5 mho, while the load resistance RL, the value of load resistance may be 4000 to 10,000 ohm, and if you take the product of RL and HOE, when we make the multiplication of HOE into RL, therefore that is equal to the very small with respect to the unity, and HOE can also be dropped from the equivalent circuit. Therefore, the value of HOE is very small, and therefore it can be dropped from the circuit, and the circuit is redrawn in the figure 4, and we can simplify the equation for the voltage gain, that is AVE is equal to VO divided by VI, which is equal to minus HFE into RL divided by HOE, okay, and this is equation number 4, and which shows the major factor controlling the voltage gain. In the voltage gain of the transistor, the major factor which can control the voltage gain is equal to HFE, that is the RL, and HI, and the circuit is like this. Here we replace or we drop the HOE, we drop the one HOE and also HRE. Therefore, the equivalent circuit having HIE, that is the input impedance. This is the HFE into IV. HFE into IV is nothing but the current gain, and this is the load resistance. So, this is the equivalent circuit for the bipolar junction transistor, and this circuit is the same, only here the GM model is used, that is the GM into VB. In place of HFE into IB, GM into VB is used. So, this is the equivalent circuit for bipolar junction transistor, and we can use such types of the equivalent circuit for the bipolar junction transistor. And here there are the H parameters, HIE, similarly GM into VB, which are the H parameter, or HFE into IB. So, this is the equivalent circuit for bipolar transistor, means the H parameter equivalent circuit for the bipolar junction transistor. Okay, thank you for watching this video.